Hey guys, Nick Vago here from TechRadar, and I'm coming to you from inside the Mercedes A250. Now, this is a 360 video, so if you've got a VR headset, you can strap it on now and view the cabin in full 360. Or if you're viewing on your phone, you can tap and scroll around to look at various elements of the cabin. Now, the Mercedes A250 is a great car to drive. I've been driving it all week, and it's going to be really hard to say goodbye to it. But one of the things I want to show you guys in this video is the actual interiors and also the tech behind this particular car. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of leather trim. The seats are leather and fabric as well. It really looks really nice. At the bottom over here, you've got a touch sensitive pad that you can use to navigate the menu. So if you look over here, you'll see that as I navigate on the pad, it reflects on this beautiful display. For example, if I go into navigation, I can also pinch and zoom to zoom in and out of the embedded maps. Now, both of these screens are fully digital, so you've got the instrument panel here and the infotainment section over here. It's also touch sensitive, so you can use the touch controls to scroll through the various settings that are available on the Mercedes A250. You've got Bluetooth connectivity, radio, navigation, media. You've also got a comfort section which will let you change some of the interior lighting in the cabin, as well as activate some of the features here. If I go into it, you've got something called Seat Kinetics, which basically will adjust certain parts of your seat during long drives, which kind of helps with the comfort on those long drives around the city. Now, one of the cool features of the Mercedes A250 is actually voice assistance. So you can use your voice to control various features of the car. So that way you can change Bluetooth, you can change the radio settings, etc., without taking your hands off the wheel and trying to navigate through the menu. So for example, I can say, "Hey Mercedes,
how can I help you?
Navigate to the Dubai Mall."
Please select an entry.
1.
The route is being calculated.
So now the car will enable navigation mode, and I can do that all through the power of my voice. When I reach my destination, if I change my mind, I can simply say, "Hey Mercedes,
how can I help you?
Stop navigation."
Route guidance cancelled.
You can also do quirky things like you would with any virtual assistant, such as, "Hey Mercedes,
how can I help you?
Tell me a joke."
Sorry, my engineers were Germans.
There we go. Now, in this day and age, there's an app for pretty much everything in our lives, and true to form, there's an app for this car. The Mercedes Me app that you can download for iOS and Android tells you a lot of very useful features about the Mercedes A250. So, for example, I can look at the last odometer reading, I can look at the information such as fuel consumption, I can check if the doors are locked or unlocked, and most importantly, I have remote engine start. So if I'm far away and I want to start my car, make sure everything's cooled, I can go ahead and do that straight from the app itself. And that's it for a short tech preview of the Mercedes A250. There'll be a full review coming soon, but meanwhile, keep it locked right here to TechRadar.com.